All right, welcome to our lab here. We will be talking about Windows privilege escalation, hiding the user in this video. We're going to understand how to create a user and hide its creation, right? We can use this to hide a user and cover user creation tracks. Basically, we can have a hidden user on the workstation, and that hidden user can do what they want with your system. So let's go ahead and get started. We're going to go ahead and log in. In fact, let me go and show you what I have. I got Ian, John Smith, and Little John on my account. I'm gonna go ahead and log in with my Ian account here. All right, and okay. And the first thing we want to see is let's take a look at all of the users that are on my computer. And we can do that by going to the command prompt. And then what we can do is we can type in, let me do this as an admin. Let me right click here, run as an admin, say yes, and I'm gonna say net users. And these are the accounts that are on my computer, right? The ones you saw before. John, John Smith for John S, Ian, little j as well. And also I can type in LUSR, MGR, the MSC, and you can see these users as well are all members of my computer. So let's go ahead and add a new user. We're going to call this user hack backdoor. So let's type in this command here, net user backdoor, and you see I'm going to append it with the $sign. I'm going to make a password as well as 123, 123. Then I'm going to add this user. All right, command completed successfully. So let's go ahead and do this again. Type in net users, and you see the user backdoor is not even showing up here. So next we want to do is we want to hide our user from the Windows login screen, the same screen you saw me looking at before. So let's go ahead, close this window, and we're going to log out. And you see right here, the account is visible. And what we're going to do now is we are going to log back into our computer. We're going to hide this backdoor account. We're going to do that with the Windows registry. So I'm going to type in start and type in regedit. And the key I want to go to is H key, local machine, followed by software, followed by Microsoft. Scroll down to Windows, current version, and then I want Win Logon. So let me expand this for you. And we have, let's see, we're looking for Win Logon. Let's see, H key local machine, software, Microsoft Windows, current. Let's see, Microsoft, oh, software, whoops. Microsoft Windows NT, current version, Win Logon. Here we go. And what they would like us to do is to create a new key called special account. So that's what we're going to do. And pay attention to the case sensitivity here. Special accounts has now been created. And now, once we're here, we actually want to right click on here and we want to go to new, and we're going to select dword 32-bit value. And on this value, we're going to enter in this information. So we're going to type in backdoor. This is our account here. I'm going to click on the properties here and make sure that yours matches my screen. Backdoor with the $ value of 0. All right, so now I'm going to log off. And now I'm going to restart. Oh, you know what? I forgot to do one thing, one super quick thing, totally spaced. Let me go back to registry edit, and we're gonna go back to where we were before. Yes. And under special accounts, I forgot to make a sub key called user list. So let me do that. And I'm gonna say, yep, new key user list. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to drag my backdoor account into the user list if possible. It looks like it won't let me do it there, but that's okay. I'll just recreate it here. New keyword value backdoor $. All right, log off. And as you see right now, my backdoor account is hidden, which is pretty cool. All right, so now I have a hidden user account, which is pretty nice. And so I can't see it on the login screen. Let's do one step further. We could go back to our command prompt here. Net users, we don't see backdoor here. Let's also try doing it from the GUI method as well. And if we look at local users and groups, we see that backdoor is in fact an account still listed. It's not been disabled. All right, so that is how you create an account that can be used for privilege escalation. And when you are done with it, your normal user will not even suspect that a new account has been created. That's the end of this video. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.